Hi, this is John with WATI. And as I'm always trying to make some nice meals for me, like I live alone, but I always try to make them as easy and fast as possible. I like the kitchen, but I don't like to be in there for too long. This is the Betty Crocker buttermilk mix for pancakes. And even though you can just even add water for this and you're just fine, I like to add this some really good things like the milk, like the eggs for it to be higher in protein. And the whole buttermilk mix is actually great. It tastes awesome. So I just add a topping of what? A syrup or with strawberry syrup or just chocolate syrup and just like put it in the pan and as a nice mixture and a nice the nice taste. And it's just your everyday buttermilk pancakes that you could get at any moment. So this is a great product if you just want to make your pancakes however you want, and even if you just want to add just water with it, nice taste, the fluffiness and the texture of the pancakes is just nice. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.